Well, hello and welcome.
Hi.
Today we're doing something a bit different. We're not walking up a mountain.
Why not?
We've come into Cardiff to do a bit of Christmas shopping. But Mel was looking online and we found this hotel, the Clayton, in the centre of Cardiff, and we're only paying
£32 a night.
£32 a night, including breakfast. So we're going to have a little look at the Clayton Hotel in Cardiff. Here it comes. Wow, we're on the 10th floor. Look at that mask.
So they've upgraded us. Oh, sealed. Okay, we've already had an argument. This is how it works. So I'm an Expedia Gold member by booking a lot of stays throughout the year. Like, we haven't stayed out hardly anywhere since March. So this was before then, before COVID restrictions. So, okay. So if you become an Expedia Gold member, you get like VIP access to certain hotels. Anyway, because I've booked so many hotels in the time I've been an Expedia member, okay, I think it's quite complicated, Marcus. Oh, damn. I get so many points, and points means prizes.
Points mean prizes.
No, points means that you get money taken off the stay. So had money taken off the stay, and also Black Friday 12% off as well.
Yeah.
Means the hotel worked out to £32.
So we got a discount and a sale.
Yeah.
Also, they've given us £10 credit.
Because I'm a member of Expedia.
Yeah. And upgraded slightly bigger room. They're not the biggest of rooms, but
and the bigger room, I think, has got a coffee machine. Yeah. I'm not sure if the standard rooms have, and robes.
So, yeah. So anyway, thank you.
And free breakfast.
And free breakfast. Yeah, included breakfast as well.
Yeah.
So thank you, Melissa, for that detailed explanation. So we'll have a quick look at the hotel and also a quick look around Cardiff.
Okay.
Let's go.
Without any more argument.
So, £32. By the way, this video is not sponsored. We're actually paying ourselves. We haven't been asked to review it or anything like that. This is our opinion. Got tea and coffee and a kettle. What type of biscuits? Are they healthy ones or
ginger?
What's that one?
It looks like a chocolate one. I can't see. Chocolate chip?
Chocolate chip, well done. Chocolate chip. None of these newfangled.
What else we got? Chocolate chip and orange.
Good.
What's that say? Ginger.
Ginger. Oh, ginger can
go away.
We've got a fridge for your own stuff, and they've got some complimentary drinks in. 2 cans and 2 bottles of water. 2 cans of pop, Mel.
2 cans of pop.
There's robes as well, and a safe. Extra towels. They have upgraded some of the plugs. They've got USB chargers. Here's the grill menu. And just an idea, the classic sandwich is $6.95. Okay, just for American viewers, when we said it's £32 for everything, including breakfast, we mean £32.
Yeah.
In the UK, when you get quoted the price, it includes the tax. And so there's no other extra charge, there's no resort fee or any tax in. £32 is the total amount you pay. Also, we didn't just book it because it was cheap, although that was a big factor. It has got good reviews on TripAdvisor.
We have stayed here before.
And we have stayed here before a few years ago. I think it's got 4.5 stars on
Yeah.
on TripAdvisor.
Hotels in Cardiff.
Yeah, and in the general ranking, it's 5 out of 74 hotels in Cardiff city centre. So that's it. Anyway, let's go. Cardiff's looking very grey today. It's sanitizer.
Yeah, I used sanitizer just now.
And there's sanitizer in the lift.
Okay.
0.
Do you use your little finger? I do.
Well, there's sanitizer there.
I know, but I still use my little finger.
Inside the hotel is quite quiet, but outside you are in the centre of Cardiff, so it is quite noisy.
I think on a weekend,
Yeah.
I'd be careful, Saturday night especially, staying there.
What we like about Cardiff are these Victorian arcades, and they're full of independent shops. As well as the shopping in Cardiff, what is good, what we like about Cardiff, right bang in the centre, we've got a castle. Hello, give us a wave. Well, we're just about to have some lunch. I'll be quick, copyright music's playing. I'll take a photograph of the food. Well, the food's arrived. I've gone for a falafel sandwich and crisps. Arty shots in now. Well, it's the next morning and we're just going down for breakfast. I don't want to film down in the breakfast room, so I'll just stick in a couple of photographs. Here they are.
So that was our stay at the Clayton Hotel in Cardiff. But don't worry, next week, normal service will resume and I'll send him back up a mountain, as far away from me as possible.
Cheek.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.